In today's video, I'm going to teach you modern title text animation in Canva. We'll build a bold, clean title that pops over your footage and uses layered animations for a modern look. Start by opening a video template that fits your project's aspect ratio. It can be a blank video or any template you like. The key is to have your background video ready on the canvas so you can see how the text sits over it. Next, open the Text tab and add a heading. Type your phrase or title exactly as you want it to appear. Choose a strong, legible font to anchor the design. I'm using Anton in this example because it's clean and impactful, but any bold sans serif can work. Change the text color to white for maximum contrast over most footage. Open Effects and select the Lift effect to give your title subtle depth. Then italicize the text for a dynamic slant that feels modern and energetic. Resize the heading so it commands attention without crowding the frame, and reposition it to a visually balanced spot, typically near the center or lower third, depending on your footage. Duplicate the text so you have a second copy. Rename that second layer to keep things organized. Head to the Layers panel and place the second text behind the first. You'll want it directly under the original in the stack, so both line up perfectly and create a neat, layered style. Now it's time to animate. Select the top text, click Animate, and choose an entry animation that matches your video's pace. Something crisp like a slide or rise works well. Adjust the speed so the movement feels smooth rather than rushed. Then select the second text and choose a different animation for contrast. Set its direction and speed so the motion complements the first layer. For example, if the front text slides up, the back layer could slide from a slightly different angle. Use the duration controls at the bottom to fine-tune timing and create a subtle delay between the two layers. A slight offset makes the effect feel intentional and modern, and it helps each layer read clearly on screen. Click Preview to watch it all together. If anything feels off, tweak font size, position, animation speed, or delay until it matches your video's rhythm. Keep readability in mind. High contrast, clean spacing, and steady timing make a huge difference. And that's it. Your modern title text animation is ready to export and use across your project.